Did you know that 80% of people are making these huge money mistakes right now? If you're not careful, they could cost you thousands. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to avoid them and start building a better financial future. So, stick with me because mistake number 5 might shock you. Let's get right into it. Mistake number 1, no emergency fund. Imagine your car breaks down tomorrow. Could you cover it? If not, you're not alone. According to Bankrate, only 39% of Americans have enough to handle a $1,000 emergency. Scary, right? The solution? Start small. Even if you're saving just $10 a week, that cushion will grow over time. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Mistake number 2, living beyond your means. It's easy to fall into this trap with credit cards, but if you keep spending more than you earn, it's like building a debt snowball that'll crush you. The solution? Take control of your spending. Use a budgeting app or just write everything down. The moment you know where your money goes, you've taken the first step to turning it around. Mistake number 3, not investing. I get it, investing seems intimidating. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius to make your money grow. Start small with something simple, like low-cost index funds or an automated investing platform. You can start with as little as $5 and let your money work for you. Now, if you're still watching, this next one is going to shock you. Mistake number 4, ignoring your credit score. Yeah, it's easy to forget about, but that number affects your life way more than you think. From loan rates to even your insurance premiums. The fix? Check your credit score regularly. Pay bills on time and keep your credit card balances low. Your score can cost or save you thousands over time. Mistake number 5, not planning for retirement. You might think it's far off, but the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. And let's face it, none of us want to be worrying about money in our later years. Even if it's a small amount, start contributing to a retirement account. Take advantage of employer matching programs and automate your contributions so it becomes second nature. And there you have it. 5 common money mistakes and how to avoid them. Your financial future is in your hands, and even the smallest change today can lead to big rewards down the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Drop your own money-saving advice in the comments below, and let's help each other grow financially smarter. Like, share, subscribe for more. Leave your best money tips in the comments. If you're not investing in yourself, you may find it hard to grow. If you are, then congratulations on prioritizing your own development.